12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 12, 36. Yes, I got the logic. But is this the only method to find out the logics? Or there are some more ways to find out the logic? Should I try more question? Should I give it a thought also to some more kind of question? Yes, let me try some question. Here I find some questions written. Let me try these questions. Here, first question is 12, 24, 48, 96. I can see they don't follow a common difference, but they do follow something which I get. Yes, 12 twos is 24. 24 twos are 48. 48 twos are 96. So I got the answer. Yes, what it will be? 96 twos are, which is 192. Yes, correct. Chalo, let's look at some more question. Next number written here is such a big number. Then let's try it out. There are so many zeros in this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 40 lakh, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 40,000. 1, 2, 400. That means every time we are proceeding towards the next number, two zeros are cancelled. So we can simply say these numbers are divided by 100 in order to get the next number. So what will be our answer? 4. Yes. Interesting. Want to learn more questions? Want to try some new questions? Hey everyone, this is Gunjan. I welcome you all to my reasoning classes. Our today's topic is number series only, but part 2. Before we go further, let's try one very interesting question but little tricky question. Ready everyone? Let's begin then. Yes. Pause the video again. Try to solve this question. Again, the answer will be told to you at the end of this video. This is a very interesting question and one of my favorite questions. Do give it a try, okay? Found interesting? Please subscribe, share and like our channel for some more interesting questions daily, and also so that you do not miss any single recent updates of our channel. So let's begin our class now. Let's start with the question. Again, I'll be discussing some of the questions today, and based on that, worksheet will be given to you. Let's start the first question. But before we go further, I hope you remember the rules. Yesterday, I told you that there are some increasing order number series, there are some decreasing order number series. So what you need to check is, the very basic step was to check the difference. Now, whenever you look at the number series, whenever you look at the new number series now, try to find out something multiplicative or divisible. Check out whether they form any such pattern or their differences follow any such pattern. Like we discussed yesterday some questions. So today you have to take care. Now how to check whether the number series in the whether the given number series, we have to check the multiplication factor or the division factor. See children, it's very easy. Here you can clearly see 280 is a very small number. If I talk about 560, it's a big number than 280. But when I go to the third number, clearly it is 3 times of this number, right? So almost 3 times. See, 28. When I go to 560, it's almost double. When I go to the next 500, suppose it's 500, it's 1600. So basically it is more than 3 times. Similarly, if I go to the very next number, you can see here it is 6720. So you can see the numbers are increasing. The difference between the number is quite big. So somewhere they must have been multiplied so as to get those big number. Let's check it out. Like I told you, this is almost the double. Actually, this is the double of 280. If I go on to the next question, this is 3 times of this number. If I go on to the next question, this is 4 times of the number. So here you can see these numbers have a pattern of multiplication. First number is multiplied by 2, third number is multiplied by 3, fourth number is multiplied by 4. So in order to find out the fifth number, what we have to do? Multiply it by 5. So what answer will we get? When we multiply 6720 by 5, we'll get this answer. I hope everyone is clear with this concept. Let's move ahead. Next question. See, 30, 15, 15, 30. Suppose this number was not given to us. So you must have think that 30 is written, 15, 15, 30. So you must have again thought the pattern is like this only, 15, 15, 30. But no. Here we are given 120 also. So let's check. See, 15 is half of this number, right? And in order to get 15 from 15, we need to multiply only by 1. In order to get 30, we need to multiply 15 by 2. If I say 30 and 120, what we have to do? Multiply by 4. So you can see this pattern is also having certain pattern, which is that this is the double, this is also the double, this is also the double. So that means each and every pattern is being multiplied by 2 in order to get the next number. So we need to multiply 120 by 8 to get our answer. I'll clear the screen and then write it properly. So 120 is to be multiplied by 8 to get our answer. Yes. What it will be? 960. Moving on. Now see, here are some fractions written. 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. As you all know that fractions are written in this form, numerator by denominator. Here you can clearly see in each and every fraction numerator is 1. The changing number is only the denominator 1. If nothing is given below this 1, we can consider it as 1 only, right? Now see, it is pretty clear that the numerator will be 1 only, because in every number we are having numerator as 1. The only changing number was denominator, and which is very easy to find out. I guess everyone has got the answer. This is multiplied by 2, again multiplied by 2, again multiplied by 2. So here our answer will be 16. So what will be our complete answer? 1 by 16. Yes. Students, you just need to look at the given pattern very carefully and observe the changes. Whatever the changes are, just note it down and check whether it is applicable for each and every number, and then you will be easily able to get the answer to this question. Moving ahead, see, again some fractions are written, but here numerator or denominator, either of these are not same, but they do follow a pattern. Let's check. 15, 30, double, 30, 60, again double, 60, 120, again double. So you get the pattern for the numerator. Means to find out the numerator, we have to multiply it by 2, right? Again, if I check the denominator, 14, 28, double, 28 and 56, double, 56 and 112, double. So students, here the pattern is very clear that we have to divide it by 2 in order to get the answer. What will be our answer? 122 is 240. 112 twos are 224. Like I told you yesterday, that reasoning is not only about the mental ability skills, also you have to work upon your calculative skills. Please do not write every calculation on the page and then solve it. Try to solve these calculations in your mind. It will help you a lot. Just believe me, yes, it will help you a lot. Now the next question. See, here some decimals are given. Suppose this decimal is not given to us. Suppose. And this 0 is also not given to us. Well, I hope you remember something. We have done such a question. This is simply the table of 9 written in the reverse order. 9 sevens are 63, 9 six are 54, 9 fives are 45, 9 fours are 36. So you are pretty clear that the answer will be 27, right? Here we have 0, here we have point, and this will be our answer, 0.270. Isn't it interesting? You just need to focus on the question and just solve it. Just give it a try. These are not difficult at all. You just need to focus on the question. I hope everyone is getting my point. Moving ahead. See, the questions are written like this, in the decreasing order, right? Now you can clearly see what strikes to my mind is, here it is written 88, here it is written as 44, and I know whenever I divide 8 by 2 I'll always get 4, right? So if I divide this complete number by 2, what will I get? I guess this is the number. If I again divide this number by 2, I'll get this number. If I divide this number by 2, I'll get this number. So my dear students, in order to get our answer, I need to divide 336 by 2. So let's divide this. 2 ones are, 2 six are, 2 eights are. This will be my answer. I hope these are clear to you. And my dear students, here in these questions I have taken the simple calculations such as dividing it by 2, dividing it by 3. You can get as many series as like dividing by 4, dividing by 5, because first you need to clear your concept, how you have to proceed to solve a number series question. Then only proceed to the level wise question. You need to increase the level once you are clear with the basic. So whenever you find such question, do give it a try. Okay, moving ahead. See, this is a very interesting question. I'll always say you all must know about the prime numbers, right? Prime numbers are those which have factors as 1 and the number itself. Like suppose 2. 2 has the factor of 2 and 1. That is the number itself and the 1. Similarly 3, similarly 5, similarly 7. So here we will not be having any common difference. Okay, this is not the pattern. Here you have to take care of the prime number concept. What will be our number? 9? No, not at all. This will be 11, because after 7, what is the next prime number? It's 11. Whenever you are given two choices between the prime number and a normal series, always prefer the prime number series first. Always give priority by going it through the prime number if it is possible in the given number series. Okay, students? Okay, now moving ahead. Now see, this is the question. This is a little trickier one, but I guess everyone can do this question as well. 289, 256, 225, 196. You must know the concept of squares. Squares says that whenever the same number is multiplied 2 times, the answer which we get is said to be its square, right? So here, as I have already told you, This is the 17 square. This is 16 square. This is 15 square. This is 14 square. So it's very easy now. What will be your answer? 13 square. And what is 13 square? It's 169. Yes. Moving ahead. Same is the concept with cubes. Now, how to find out the cubes or what is a cube? Whenever a same number is multiplied 3 times, suppose 9. 9 is multiplied 3 times. So, the answer which we get is said to be its cube. So, 729 will be the cube of 9. And as I have told you, this is 9 cube, this is 10 cube, this is 11 cube, this is 12 cube. So 13 cube is 2197. Cubes of some number and cube square of some numbers should be on your tips. Till 15 you must know all the cubes, and till 25 you must know all the squares. It will definitely help you in some questions, not only in number series but also for your math subject. It definitely helps. So my dear children, please give it a try. Now the next question written here is, this is a very interesting and the easier one. See, the digits are written here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 7, 8, 9, 5, 6. 8, 9, 5, 6, 7. Don't you think these digits written in one number are repeating again and again? Yes, you got it. In this next number, only the 5 is shifted at the last. I'll write it very clearly. 5 is written at the last and all the numbers are shifted forward. Again, if I move ahead, 6 is written at the last and all the numbers are moved ahead. Now, 7 is written at the last and all the numbers are moved ahead. So, it's very easy. Now we will write 8 at the last and our answer will be 9, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, easier one. Let's move ahead. Not all the questions are very difficult. It just, you must have the approach to go for different variety of questions. You must not stick to a single concept that you have to just find out the difference or you have to multiply or you have to divide. There are various types of question for which you must have your vision. Okay. Now the next question. This is also a good question. See, 4, 5, 9. If only these three numbers are written, it do clicks in my mind that 5 plus 4 is 9. Similarly, if I move ahead, 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. So my dear children, you do get your answer. If I have to find the answer, what I have to do? I have to add 14 and 23, which will give me answer as 37. Yes. Okay, now last question. Let's quickly check it out. 50 and 50. The only possible solution here is we can only multiply this by 1 in order to get the same number. 50 and 100. We need to multiply it by 2, right? 4. Again, this is doubling. The pattern which is followed here also follows a pattern which means it's doubling. In order to find out the next number, we have to multiply it by 8. So 8 into 400 will give me the answer as 3200. Right, students? I hope everyone has enjoyed today's question and the question now which I have given you to try. I hope everyone has tried this question. Like I told you, this is a trickier question, but very easy. In this, there is no logic. Just turn the picture upside down. You will see the counting 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. So the answer will be 87. This was a very easier one and one of my favorite questions. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my class and it helped you to look at the reasoning question in some different ways. Okay? Worksheet is uploaded on the school mobile app. I hope you have solved the previous worksheet and you will definitely solve this worksheet also. Practice well, students. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you all for listening. God bless you all. Thank you.